Rebecca is good.
Rebecca, what is it? Say back, Joey. Yeah. Oh, it's hard. Sit down, Mom.
Hey, Rebecca.
Got this figured out.
Rebecca, give the cards to Daddy. He can open them, or to Grandma or Brad, or pick somebody. Brad's close.
Okay, scooch back, everyone. She needs to breathe.
What is it?
Rebecca, this one's for me. This one's for me. Me and Grandma Lynn. I think she's gonna like it.
I like that little cow or whatever that is.
That's from,
Oh, yeah.
Sophia?
no.
Is it a phone, Rebecca?
Oh, boy.
Oh.
Can Timothy open it?
Want me to open it for you? Sure. Okay. Sure.
Okay, sure. Now take a break,
There's
take a
one
break.
right here. Okay. You got a card? It's Rebecca. Oh, my hair. Yeah. Okay, give her some room, guys. They won't give her room.
Bye. Oh.
Let your mommy read it to you, or you
Is it a pretty card?
Is that from us?
No, that's from Bradley.
Oh.
You like that? It says happy birthday. And it's
What a
puppy on it.
puppy.
Yeah.
Rebecca,
Joey. Going now.
Joey, that's her phone. Let her try it first. She really wants to try it first. Joey, sit back.
Rebecca, you're gonna have to open it. Okay?
What's in there?
Clouds and guessers.
Like, I can't find it. I gotta move all these photos out of the
Oh,
way.
yeah, there's some voice in there.
I think I'm just gonna shove everything back in the bag. Rebecca, I'm gonna put your phone in there first, if it fits.
That thing was full of wrapping. I don't know what was going on.
It's probably so something didn't ruin it.
Hey, Rebecca.
Do you let Rebecca try it first?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, Rebecca, I'll show you how
Oh,
to
no,
do it.
I just saw the file closer. I didn't know.
Okay, go show it to someone. Go show it to someone. Mommy, look it.
Joey.
That's how it works.
Perfect, Joey.
Hey, Rebecca, and how you
You have
open
lots of
it,
fun,
just
too.
rip that open. Try it.
Those are nice. That's cute.
So she can call me at school.
Good job.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so cute.
Joey,
Well,
let her try it. That's her phone, Joey.
Call someone.
Yeah.
With this.
She's
Yeah.
calling
Isn't that
someone.
fancy?
Quiet.
Who is it?
Who is it?
Not Barbie.
It's Cinderella.
Cinderella.
Close.
Okay, Rebecca, what? Wait, can you do that? Why not do that one last?
Joey.
Or do you want her to do it now?
No, not in a minute. She's playing with that.
That's her birthday present.
Oh, you must be calling somebody.
Joey, you could check this out, okay?
She looks her phone, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Rebecca, what one do you want to open first out of this one? This one?
Yeah.
Sure, okay. Oh, and
Sure.
you got the... Okay.
Somebody's calling you. Who is it? Say hello.
Maya, I'm just going to take the card out for her.
Okay.
To this tape.
Then you could hand it to Kelly so he can read it.
Yeah.
I'll pass it to Grandma.
She already opened that one up. I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then over here, you just push it and then let it out.
Friday we went out to dinner.
Phone? Your phone?
Rebecca, are you going to open this one?
Oh.
Want me to hold this for you? Sure. Okay.
Really wrong.
Was she-
Sure.
She's trying everything we
There's a
have.
little spot right here you can open it with.
Yeah, I know.
Is it the xylophone, Rebecca?
Oh, it's music.
Music, Rebecca. She's always trying to play the piano.
Yeah.
And there's a little... Hey, give me that crocodile. The crocodile.
Careful, it's tied in.
Oh. Right here. Let me see if I can open it, Rebecca.
Probably got some ties in it.
They put so many, like, if you get, like, some sort of, like, I don't know, car that's, like, this size, then they'll put, like, 20 ties under it, or 10 or something.
Yeah.
Oh, pretty.
Pajamas? Pajamas.
Oh.
That's it.
Oh, slowing down a little bit there.
I'm gonna open this. Is there a new banana? See, look, the crocodile has the thing. Johnny! Yay! Mommy, is there any more friends? Or do you want me to get the big one now?
Well, hold on a second. Can you give everybody kisses? Say thank you.
Can I open it?
Sure.
Why Joey want to open everything?
I don't know. Hey, can we try to pick up the papers? Can you pick up all the papers? We'll put them in this bag?
Sure.
Okay. We're going to need room for this.
Did someone read this one already?
Yeah.
Why didn't you read that?